Hello, John here, Putty RC. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be looking at this. Zoom out a little bit so you can see it. It's a battery operated 3-cell soldering iron for at the field, I suppose, if you want to use it at the field. I didn't buy it for that reason. To be perfectly honest, I bought it because I wanted to make up some weight for, just plug this in.
Inactivity alarm.
To make up some weight for the HobbyKing postage, so I felt like I was getting a bit more for my money. There's a few warnings with this. I'll just put some plugs on that. Just that. There's a few warnings on this. Oh, that gets hot really quick. Let's see. It drains your batteries really quickly. You can see that smoking away there already. So I would actually thought I'd be waiting quite a long time for that to get warm, but no, it's away. This is the first time it's out of the packaging. Let's see if we can get. It's not quite ready for solder yet. Yeah, keep an eye on your batteries. Apparently it drains them really fast. But my friend, who I won't mention, he keeps forgetting to unplug his soldering iron, so when his electricity bill comes, it's going to be quite a big one. There we go. There we go. We're in business. Just solder this way. Not the best at soldering, but there we go. The battery is down to 413, 411, 413, 409. So, yep, it does drain the battery quite quick. I'll disconnect that. I suppose it's a good way to get your batteries onto storage charge. So this is from HobbyKing, and to be fair, it's quite good. It's soldering iron, 30watt 12v 3-cell. With obviously you can see the XT60 connectors on there. I'll just unplug this and see what that solder's like. Yep, that's soldered onto there nicely. I'll just zip that up. Next bit. In and out, as Bruce says. Yeah, don't do what I did and go, oh, is it getting hot? Put your fingers on it, because it gets hot really quick. Disconnect that. Should really buy a heat gun, but I keep borrowing Steve's, but he keeps taking it back. So I'll give that a solder. I'll give that a quick test. So there you saw, I just did a little solder for the FPV lead for the Turnigy camera. It's not the best soldering in the world, but soldering is not my greatest skill. And just to show you that it is working, there we go. And I did say before, this camera, you can FPV through it, and it's not too bad, but I won't FPV with a 250 on it. There is slight lag. There you go, thank you for watching the HobbyKing. Still warm. The HobbyKing, why do people do that? Is that warm? Yeah! The HobbyKing soldering iron at the field. But to be honest, it's nice and easy at the bench as well. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, comment, follow me on Facebook.